the ELeaf Pico X. Let's have a quick look. Hey guys, Vick here, back with another video, another quick look video where we take a quick look at a brand new vaping item. This is the ELeaf iStick Pico X. The Pico X from ELeaf, another one off the iStick line. Very interesting tank and mod. Comes with the Melo 4 on top. Now, we have seen this tank before. This is a very popular, very successful sub tank for ELeaf, but they have updated it. The Melo 4 in this kit comes with mesh coils, 0.15 Canthal mesh coils. Very interesting indeed. This seems to be the way that all sub tanks are going now, towards these mesh coils, and that's what we have in here, vaping very well indeed. Keeps true to the original Pico range. It has this cap here that you simply unscrew to change your battery. It's an 18650 battery and it's a 75 watt mod. The real big difference with this Pico over previous ones is that what it's made of. It's very plasticky now. It's very light, very light indeed. It's also really small, even to Pico standards, even to iStick Pico standards. This is a very small kit now. The 18650 literally is the length of the mod. It is an 18650 length mod. It is very small indeed. So walking you through it a little bit, Pico X, 75 watts, 18650. It's got TC, TCR, all that sort of stuff you would expect. Very simple basic screen as you would expect from an iStick mod. But yeah, in this plasticky, lightweight wrapper. A range of colours available for it as well. Very simple, showing you pics of it on screen as we go. The Melo V4, I really liked the original Melo V4. Very good tank in my opinion. Really put out the flavour in a time where sub-tanks weren't really doing much on flavour. It dialed it back its wattage. It was like a 40 watt tank, and yeah, it put out the flavour. Now these mesh coils are even better. They're even better. These are really nice mesh coils. 0.15 ohms Canthal mesh coil. Good from 30 to 70 watts they say, but I am at 50 watts and really enjoying the vape off this. Loads of flavour, loads of clouds. There will be a TPD version of this tank and a normal version of this tank. This is the normal non-TPD version. It's got top fill, adjustable airflow. I've got it wide open, but you can adjust it. Traditional 510 drip tips on top. It's a very solid looking, standard looking sort of tank, but now with these mesh coils inside, and I'm really enjoying the vape. You can crank it up, or you know, you can just have it as a nice mellow vape. I'm somewhere in between at around 50 watts. It's a really nice vape though. It's doing a really nice job. So in keeping with iStick, in keeping with the Pico range, super simple, super small, super durable, basic screen, nice big fire button. The plus and minus are underneath. Very simple to use, very simple to navigate. Perfect sort of work mod or out and about mod. To get through the menu, 1, 2, 3, and then you are in the menu and you use the plus and minus underneath to navigate through. You've got bypass, you've got NI, TI, SS, you've got your memory functions as well, which are your TCR settings, and then you've got wattage as well. Really simple, really easy, and a nice straightforward kit. Vaping very well. So who's this for? Who is going to be on this? If you're a 30 to 60 watt vapor and need something out and about, super simple, super durable, check this out. This is what this is for, in my opinion. You can charge it through micro USB if you need to as well. Out and about, nice and easy. It's got this easy way of getting the battery on and off as they do. Really simple, really nice, simple, easy to use mod. And I think the Melo 4 is a really good sub tank, made even better with these new mesh coils. As always, this is just a quick look. If you're super interested in this, maybe wait for a full review, see what a full review is saying of this. It's ELeaf, so you know it's going to be affordable, you know it's going to be well made, and you know it's going to be widely available. I think it's a good kit. I think it's a good kit. This is not a full review by any means, just a quick look, but I think this is a very good, very solid kit. Very useful for out and about, in the car, at work, something like that. 50 watt banger, 50 watt flavour banger. I think it's good. I think it's good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.